it up ahead, isn't it? That light area?
Down in that valley right there.
Yeah.
See the edge of the Grand Canyon right there, and then
yep.
You'll see the strip.
Yeah, autopilot disengaged.
See the turnaround area right there? Flat. Oh, they moved the fuel tank.
Had a fuel tank?
Yeah, they used to have a fuel tank. See it right there?
Nope.
So we got to come right over the top. And we'll make a left and come right. See, it's right here. Couple pictures. A little dirt thing at the end. Road's right by it.
Not seeing the runway, and I should be able to.
Oh, it's right there.
Oh, okay.
See the
good.
big flat spot?
Yep. Okay, cool.
So we just come right down over here.
Bar 10 area traffic, red and white Skyhawks in the downwind for left base for runway 34. Bar 10.
See, we're right parallel to it.
Yep.
Further, make sure you got plenty of room. All right, now turn. Don't get too far into the...
Bar 10 area traffic, blue and white Bonanzas turning base for runway 34, Bar 10. Bar 10 area traffic, blue and white Skyhawk turning final 34.
Mixture in. 70, a little slow.
What's that?
A little slow.
No, we're good at 7. We can go down to 60. We can go down to 60.
Off, keep it off. There you go. Keep it off.
For 10 miles from my text left downwind for the north runway.
Very nice, Curtis. Very, very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, there. Get a video of him coming in.